Let's be real with each other right now. If you want to have a truly impactful impression on your audience, if you want to perform magic to them that they're going to remember for a very long time, then you need to start performing coin magic. If magic was real, it would look something like that. I've been performing coin magic for 30 years, and I can honestly say it is the best type of magic that I perform for real people. Did you see it go? Back on the table. What? Dallas, watch the chip, watch the chip. Now in 2016, Murphy's Magic, they changed the game, and they did so by the release of Sucker Punch. Sucker Punch was designed by the late, great Mark Southworth. And I've spoken to a lot of people in the industry, and the reason they got into coin magic was because of Sucker Punch. Now, fast forward 10 years, and Murphy's Magic have changed the game again, with the release of Sucker Punch Revolutions. Now the question is, what is it all about? Well, first of all, it is a collection of poker chips. Gimmicks built into poker chips. You get 10 gimmicks altogether. It's completely different to the original Sucker Punch. Let me give you an example of some of the gimmicks that you're going to get. First of all, you're going to get a flipper chip. Now this is the classic flipper coin built into a poker chip. You can see it on all sides. Not only that, it's locking. We even give you a shell that fits over the flipper coin. We've taken the classic folding coin, but we've built it into a poker chip. It's a three-way folding chip. We're going to give you a slippery Sam, and this is one of the real golden gimmicks in the set. And I'm going to shake. Watch the blue one.
Yeah. Ew! Get out of here!
We've even taken a chip and we've built a Sharpie through into it. Pull it out yourself. Pull it. And then my favorite gaff in the whole set, we've given you a specially made stack of chips, which allows you to put that stack into the spectator's hand and in their own hands, turn it into candy. See?
What the f***? Alright.
Oh my God!
I told you what?
Have them. Hannah doesn't like them.
I need my back.
Just a stack of poker chips. 1, 2, 3.
Yes! I love magic. I love it.
Nothing up the sleeve. Dallas.
Is that real?
Yes! Eat it! We've even developed a brand new, never seen before gimmick, perfect for social media, that allows you to have a chip float off a stack of chips, and you can even wave another chip underneath so they can see there's no wires or threads or magnets. On the tutorial, I'm going to go through everything with a fine-tooth comb, and I'm even going to teach you how to take these gimmicks and take these gaffs and put them all together to create an act. So you're not just being a performing monkey, but you're actually taking all of these routines and putting them into an act that you can perform anytime, anywhere. If you've ever wanted to get into coin magic, this is the set that's going to allow you to finally take that leap into a truly wonderful genre of magic.
That's incredible. Good job.
Thank you so
I love magic too.
Me too, right?
That's so cool you came out and talked to me.
My name's Craig Petty, and I'm super proud to be involved in this project. I'm super proud to stand here and say to you, welcome to Sucker Punch Revolutions.
Is that real?
Yes! Eat it!
That's red 40%. I do. Are you? I feel like I was a secondary NPC, and I was like, I'm gonna walk. I got this, and stop.
Taste the rainbow, brother.
That's good, dude.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Hey, beautiful.
Thank you so much.
Holy shit. That's good.
Thank you so.
Wow. Are you in on this? Did you know?